Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this Clarity Night call. So, today I'm going to speak a little bit about competition. So, this is that time of the year when the kids are appearing for their exams, and many of them for the so called competitive exams. So, uh, let's explore what is that energy of competition which could actually create consciousness and contribution, and how much it has been distorted and uh, misunderstood in this reality, which leads us to pulling each other's legs or to get into jealousy and inferiority complex. So, everything that you have bought in any lifetime which keeps you into that lower harmonics of what you understand as competition. Will you please now destroy and uncreate all of it? Thanks a godzillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. What contribution that you and your kids be to this universe with their uniqueness, with their differences, which you have not yet acknowledged, that leads them and you into competing with others. And everything that does not allow you to perceive, know, be, receive, and acknowledge that, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all? Thanks a godzillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shots, boys and beyond. हम कितनी बार जाने अनजाने में खुद से और हमारे बच्चों से हम बोलते हैं कि देखो वो कितना अच्छा कर रहा है, आप भी उसके जैसे बनो। या हम किसी और को, हमारे फ्रेंड को या हमारे कलीग को देखते हैं कि वो किसी एरिया ऑफ लाइफ में वो बहुत एक्सेल कर रहे हैं और हमारे मन में लगता है कि शायद मुझ में ही कुछ कमी है. We go into judgment and wrongness of ourselves. So everywhere we look for the right and wrong and judgment of things, we are actually creating competition. So instead of competition, what if you could acknowledge the contribution that you be and the contribution that your child is with their just being there, with their true being, by being themselves. And everything that does not allow you to be and do that, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion. So this whole feeling of competition starts whenever you feel less than somebody else or someone else feels less than you. So everywhere you have done or been anything in any lifetime that makes others feel like that for you, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion. So right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracles, mysteries, and possibilities can you and your body be, where everyone who comes in your aura around you, they can acknowledge and be the true contribution that you be without ever having to go into competition. And everything that does not allow you to be that, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion. Also, whenever we feel like that competition starts whenever you go into I feel like this. Yeah, I feel that I'm sad today. I feel sad. I'm feeling that I'm not good enough. I feel that I can do better. So that is the place where you can catch yourself that you are now going to go like you are not on the verge of getting into competition. So that are all the places where we go into separation, where we create separation, where we create judgment with others, where we stop acknowledging our own contributions and greatness, and go into the like degenerative components of competition. So what energy, space, consciousness, and choice can you be that would allow you to be totally aware of that energy of competition, which would lead you to unconsciousness and anti-consciousness? And everything that does not allow it, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times the cosine? Right and wrong, good and bad, hot and walk, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. So imagine that you are acknowledging the contribution. आपको पता है, आप उसको आप acknowledge कर रहे हैं, आप उस चीज से पूरी तरह वाकिफ हैं कि आप लोगों की लाइफ में और इस दुनिया में क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन है. आपके सिर्फ होने से, आपकी काइंडनेस, आपकी जेनरोसिटी ऑफ स्पिरिट, आपकी स्माइल, आपका सिर्फ होना, आपकी केयरिंग, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनको कि आपने कभी अभी पहचाना ही नहीं, आपने एक्नॉलेज ही नहीं किया, आपने जाना ही नहीं कि ये भी आप हैं. आपके बच्चे के लिए, आपके परिवार के लिए, आपके जो भी आपके कांटेक्ट में आता है, उन सब लोगों के लिए, आप जो एनर्जी रहते हैं उनके लिए. तो क्या आप तैयार हैं एक्नॉलेज करने के लिए आज के दिन कि आप क्या गिफ्ट हैं इस यूनिवर्स के लिए? और अगर आप वो एक्नॉलेज कर लेते हैं, जब भी आप वो एक्नॉलेज कर लेते हैं कि आप वो गिफ्ट हैं, तो क्या आपको किसी से कोई बेहतर होने की जरूरत भी रहेगी क्या, या किसी और के जैसे बनने की जरूरत रहेगी क्या? शायद नहीं, क्योंकि जो आप हैं वो परफेक्ट है, होल है, कंप्लीट है. उसमें कोई कमी नहीं है, उसमें कोई लूप होल नहीं है, कोई ऐसा फॉल्ट नहीं है जिसको के फिक्स करना है. So everywhere you see yourself as that faulty or wrong piece of creation which can never be fixed. Will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times the cosine? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. What would it take for you to acknowledge your own beauty in your imperfections, which does not force you into that need to be like anyone else or to even compete with them? And everything that does not allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times the cosine? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. Now let's see what are the generative elements of competition. So what if you could outcreate others and outcreate yourself? So when you are totally aware of your own contribution, when you are grateful for others for being the contribution that they are, and if you like something that they are being or doing, you ask and you start being those energies yourself without ever having to feel that you are lesser than them or you have to be exactly like them. तो आप एनर्जी, किसी की कोई बात, किसी का बोलने का ढंग पसंद है आपको, किसी की कोई बॉडी आपको पसंद है, आप भी वो चीज रिसीव कर सकते हैं. आप मांग सकते हैं यूनिवर्स से कि आई वुड लाइक टू हैव दैट टू. और यू कैन डुप्लीकेट एनर्जीज ऑफ पीपल with consciousness attached so that you do not buy into all that crap energy that others have as well. क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता है कि उनकी पूरी जिंदगी आपको नहीं पता है, तो आप उनका पूरा जो वो क्रैप नहीं चाहेंगे अपनी लाइफ में, आप कुछ एनर्जीज आप लोगों की डुप्लीकेट कर सकते हैं जो आपको पसंद है, और वो आप सब कुछ वो हो सकते हैं जो आप होना चाहते हैं, विदाउट हैविंग टू compete with everyone anyone। तो आउट क्रिएट करना क्या होता है कि अच्छा, मतलब वो ये कर रहा है, मुझे भी ये पसंद है, मैं उसके जैसा भी, मैं भी वैसी एनर्जी चाहती हूँ या चाहता हूँ, और मैं मांग रहा हूँ यूनिवर्स से कि मुझे भी वो दो। एंड इवन यू कैन आउट क्रिएट अदर्स with your own uniqueness by standing out, by willing to be seen। तो हम जैसे बहुत सारी जगह पे ये भी कहते कि आपका सबका अपना एक यूएसपी है, यूनिक सेलिंग पॉइंट, by which you can be recognized as the person you are, the energy that you are, and believe believe this, trust yourself that people would love you, they would be extremely grateful to you if you are just being yourself। जो आप ट्रूली हो, अगर आप इतने वल्नरेबल हो जाते हो, अगर आप अपने बैरियर्स डाउन रखते हो और लोगों को उसको अप्रोच करने देते हो कि जो कि आपको जो काइंडनेस, वो जनरॉसिटी या जो भी एनर्जी जो आप हैं, वो आप फन एनर्जी हो सकता है, कोई कोई कुछ और हो सकता है, तो क्या आप और ज्यादा वो हो सकते हो जो आप ऑलरेडी हो, जिसकी वजह से ज्यादा लोग आपकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट होंगे। And everything that does not allow you to acknowledge your own uniqueness, your own greatness, the energy that is so irresistible and attractive and beautiful for you, which would just make you stand out with your potency, with your full potency, and the people would just get drawn and attracted towards you for that. And everything that does not allow you to to be that energy, will you please not destroy and create it all times of obstinate. Right and wrong, good and bad, hot and fog, all nine shots, boys and beyond। तो हम क्या करते हैं, जो चीजें हमारी कैपेसिटी हैं, जो हमारी गिफ्ट्स हैं, उसको हम इतना नजरअंदाज करते हैं, हम उसको इतना स्मॉल बना देते हैं कि हम उसको उसकी तरफ तो ध्यान ही नहीं देते हैं। कि अगर मैं जैसे किसी को है कि कोई बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाता है, जैसे रिचा, शी इज ग्रेट एट कुकिंग, सुषमा माइट बी गुड एट समथिंग एल्स, पर हम उस चीज को इतना इग्नोर मारते हैं कि हम वो सब तो भूल जाते हैं और हमको वो सारी चीजें अच्छी लगती हैं जो दूसरों के पास में है, और हम चाहते हैं कि हम वो करें या वो बन जाए, दूसरों की तरह बन जाए, और हमारी खुद की जो कैपेसिटी है उसको हम कभी कभी दूसरों के सामने आने भी नहीं देते हैं। तो if you have a good voice, if you are good at speaking, if you have those skills of writing which comes so easily to you, just acknowledge them, be grateful for them, acknowledge the gift that you have, the capacity that you have that no one else in the universe has, and give it to people, contribute through that capacity of yours। हम में से बहुत से ऐसे लोग रहते हैं कि जिनसे सिर्फ बात करके लोगों को उनकी पूरा दिन बदल जाता है, उनके उनके उनकी यूनिवर्स में बहुत खुशी आ जाती है। तो क्या आप कभी एक्नॉलेज करते हैं, एंड कैन यू बी मोर ऑफ दैट, कैन यू बी एंड डू मोर ऑफ दैट कंट्रीब्यूशन एंड गिफ्ट दैट यू ट्रूली आर। खास करके जब बच्चे होते हैं और जो टीनेजर्स होते हैं, वहां पे इतना पीयर प्रेशर होता है, कोई बच्चा क्लास में ज्यादा अच्छा पढ़ रहा है, कोई ज्यादा अच्छा ओरेटर है, वो ज्यादा अच्छा बोलता है, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में बेटर है, सबके सब, इवन जो टीचर्स हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं, सब कोई वो बच्चे को बोलता है उसके जैसा बनो, और वो बच्चा भी अल्टीमेटली यही सोचने लगता है कि मुझे जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं, जिनको के बाकी सब लोग शायद ज्यादा उनकी तारीफ कर रहे हैं, वो ज्यादा आगे आ रहे हैं, मुझे उनके जैसा बनना है, rather than एक्नॉलेजिंग, ये देखने की कि मेरी क्या कैपेसिटीज हैं, जिनको कि मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा अगर मैं लोगों के सामने पेश कर सकूं, वो दिखा सकूं, तो मेरी यूनिकनेस दूसरों के सामने आएगी और लोग मुझे उसके लिए ही पसंद करेंगे, मुझे जानेंगे मेरी कैपेसिटीज की वजह से. So all the parents on the call, are you willing to be that space and energy for your kids in which they can show up more, in which they can acknowledge their own gifts, yeah, and everything that does not allow you to be and do that, will you please now destroy and create it all times a God will. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shots, boys and beyond. Now many of us then think that कि अगर हम इतने फिर पैसिव हो जाएंगे, अगर हम इतने कॉम्प्लिसेंट हो जाएंगे, तो हम फिर आगे ही कैसे बढ़ेंगे? How would improvement show up into our lives? और कैसे हम फिर उसके अंदर हम बेटर कैसे हो पाएंगे? So what if you could outcreate yourself every day? तो आप जो कल आज हैं उससे बेहतर बनिए कल. तो आप जिस भी चीज में अच्छे हैं, या जो चीज जैसे हो सकता है कि जैसे मेरी ड्राइंग बहुत खराब है ना, तो मैंने आज कुछ ड्रॉ किया जो कि इतना अच्छा नहीं है प्रोबेबली, है ना, फिर भी मैं ड्रॉ करूंगी अगर मुझे ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत है या मुझे अच्छा लगता है. और कल मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि अगर मेरा सर्कल आज आड़ा तिरछा आया था तो थोड़ा और वो गोल आ जाए, है ना. तो व्हाट इफ यू कुड आउट क्रिएट योरसेल्फ and come out as better than yourself every day. So that would lead you to a generative competition with yourself, where you are getting better each day, every day, and but then you don't have to make yourself less, and you don't have to compare yourself with anyone else. And everything that does not allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that energy of outcreation with yourself and also with others, without having to go into making yourself lesser and smaller and refusing and rejecting your own contributions and gifts. And everything that does not allow it, will you please now destroy and create it all times a godzillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shots, boys and beyond. No competition is also one of the 10 keys to total freedom. 7th key है जो 10 keys to total freedom, अगर आपने कॉल सुना है, बुक पढ़ी है, या आपने फाउंडेशन क्लास की है, तो आप में से बहुत से लोग जानते होंगे. There is a 7th key, no competition. And if you read the book on the 10 keys to total freedom, Gary, in this chapter number 7 of no competition, Gary also talks about quantum entanglement. So if you are not being in competition with anyone, then you can actually have oneness and total communion, where you are being grateful for yourself and being grateful also for others, for the contribution and gift that you be, and you receive everything. You don't have barriers, you don't have any judgments to receiving yourself and anyone else as well. So he talks about quantum entanglements. So the quantum entanglements are when you engage with the elementals and every molecule of the universe to create the energies where whatever you are asking for, those entanglements happen, and that kind of receiving shows up into your universe. तो जब क्वांटम एंटेंगलमेंट्स हो रहे हैं, क्वांटम मतलब जुड़ रहा है, कहीं पे एंटेंगलमेंट हो रहा है ना, तो वहां पे उन एनर्जीज के साथ में जो कि आपकी लाइफ में कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगी और आपको वो सब रिसीव करने देंगी, आपको वो क्रिएट करने देंगी जो कि आप चाहते हो, जो आप मांग रहे हो इस यूनिवर्स से. तो क्वांटम एंटेंगलमेंट्स वुड क्रिएट वननेस, दे हेल्प यू रिसीव. So there is this beautiful clearing in this book, you can like write, want to put it on loop and run it as a process. What generative capacity for the solidification of the elementals into reality by request of the quantum entanglements fulfilled, as always out creating all competition, are you refusing to create and institute? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. So, Richa, I'm forwarding you this clearing. Can you please post it in the chat box? Will it be, is anyone has logged in from the mobile? Richa, Shushma, आप कोई मोबाइल से लॉग्ड इन हो क्या? Shushma,
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Okay. Shushma, I'm forwarding it to you. Can you please post it in the chat box?
Sure.
Yeah, this clearing. I've just sent it to you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you everyone, all of you who volunteered to post this clearing, who were on mobile. Like Shushma, did you receive it? Yes, you
Yes,
have.
I'm posting it.
Yes, thank you. So what generative capacity for the solidification of the elementals into reality by request of the quantum entanglements fulfilled, as always out creating all competition, are you refusing to create and institute? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pop, in all nine shorts, boys and beyond.
It's done. It's done.
Yes, I can see it. Thank you so much, Shushma, for posting it. So you might want to run this clearing on loop. You can use it as a process for a couple of days, even for the kids. Ajay, she just posted it in the chat box. Shushma, did you find it?
Done it. I've done it in the chat box.
Yes, it's for everyone. So you, Ajay, you will find it.
Yeah, it's for everyone.
Yeah. It's already there just before your. Okay. So can you post it again? Okay.
I've done it. I've reposted
Okay.
it.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So you might want to run this clearing as well to get ahead, get out of this energy of competition, where and get into more of out creation. Okay. Any questions? Then there is one more thing. Like if you are in sports, if you are playing a game, then there is, of course, there is win and lose. Yeah. So you outplay, you compete. So even avoiding competition is is creating competition. Whatever you resist and react to, whatever you are trying to refuse and avoid, it creates the same thing, whatever you are avoiding. So everything that you resist, it persists, or whatever you resist persists. Yeah. So if you are trying to avoid and resist competition, that would also create competition. So if there is someone who is trying to compete with you, ना आप नहीं चाहते हो, आपके मन में कोई वो नहीं है, कोई जेलसी नहीं है, कोई जलन नहीं है, आप नहीं चाहते हो कि आप किसी के साथ में आप दूसरे को कंट्रीब्यूशन भी देख रहे हो, और फिर भी वो आपसे कंपटीशन अगर करना चाहता है, तो व्हाट डू यू डू इन दैट केस? You acknowledge, you still acknowledge that yes, they are trying to get into competition. You acknowledge and be grateful for the contribution that they be in your life. You can say it out to them if they can receive it, or you can just acknowledge it energetically for them. And like you ask a question that what energy, space, and consciousness can I be that would negate this necessity of other person to be in competition with me. So what can you exactly tell them? What contribution that they are paying, if you can tell them, that would like they dissipate their need to compete with you. And still, if they want to compete, कुछ लोग होंगे उसके बाद भी they will not get it, and they would still want to compete with you because they feel so lesser than you, कि उनको लगता है कि उनको प्रूव करना पड़ेगा कि वो आपसे बेटर हैं. Unless they prove it that they are better than you, they do not have a standing. In that case, you just be more of you and stand out. Be the uniqueness. आपका जो unique selling point है उसको और ज्यादा ऊपर लाओ. Don't try to avoid competition. ऐसा नहीं कि आप जहाँ पे आप जो आप probably if you are doing some workshop, आपने जो वर्कशॉप क्रिएट करी उसी सिटी में उसी जगह वो भी क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ओके, इफ दे आर कंपीटिंग विथ मी, दे वांट टू compete with me, how much more contribution can I be to the people, to others, so that they will receive more of me. So without going into the number game, what if you could be more of the contribution that you truly be, without having to avoid, without having to run away. ऐसा नहीं कि उसमें भी वो वर्कशॉप क्रिएट कर लिए तो अब मैं भाग जाऊं या मैं मेरी डेट चेंज करूं या फिर मैं और कुछ करूं ताकि उससे मुझे कंपटीशन बच जाए. नो, दैट इज अगेन डूइंग कंपटीशन. Okay, so if you have, I can go on speaking endlessly, but then if like that doesn't contribute, it's one way monologue हो जाएगा. तो इसको आप इंटरैक्टिव हम रख सकते हैं, आप अपने क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं. Also, I would like to tell you that these videos, these gift clarity nights get uploaded on my YouTube channel and these get public. So if you want to switch off your videos while you are asking that question, it is perfectly fine with me. Yeah. So if you don't want to be seen on a public platform, then you can switch off your video and still ask anonymously. So whatever works for you. Okay. Or you can type your question in the chat box and I will pick it up from there. And I can answer it. Okay. Now, also I'm doing a foundation class starting from 5th of April. So it would be 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th of April, 5th to 8th April. 4 days of this life transforming class. If you have already done it, any time in your life, you know the power it has. And every time you do this class, it creates more. It changes another level. It gets you to another level of consciousness. And if you haven't yet tasted the energy of foundation, it's an invitation for you to see what it can create for you. So we do the 10 keys to total freedom. उसमें से एक अभी हमने डिस्कस करी और उसमें 9 और हैं keys. There are some amazing body processes for increasing the immunity and also like getting over your genetic patterns. So you can change anything in your life and with your body, with these body processes and the verbal processes as well that we do in the foundation class. And then there is this amazing distractor implants that always keep you away from awareness, your triggers points, your reactions that just come up unknowingly. however hard you may want to try. किसी को जैसे गुस्सा आता है या फिर वो दुखी हो जाते हैं, किसी ने कुछ बोला, हर्ट फील करते हैं, आप कितनी भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं फिर भी वो आप उसको कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो वहां पे आपकी वो अवेयरनेस और क्लियरिंग डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट की आपको बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्शियसनेस क्रिएट करती है आपकी लाइफ में. एंड लाइक it's a 4 days of rigorous cleaning and creating a new you. Okay, so now there is a question in the chat box. I think I'm COVID positive, getting tested tomorrow. I live with elderly parents. I'm scared for them. They already have health issues. Any clearing that I can have to protect them and myself, please. So I'm just posting one clearing which you can run. And also, like if you have done the foundation class and you know the MTVSS body process, so you can start running that. You can run it on yourself, or get and also get it run on your parents if possible. And another thing that so Sushma, I'm again forwarding it to you. If you can post this process in the chat box.
Sure.
For anyone like who is.
Yeah. And also, Tasneem, can we do the MTVSS energetically to someone?
No.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's a hands-on body process.
I know. But I thought maybe. Once you say yes, I can try it.
So MTVSS is a body process. So all the body processes, including baths, they require the body to be in front of you at least. And you have to you can do it off the body from some distance. Yeah. If you are not getting a few inches away from the body, but not without the presence of that person in front of you. Okay. And Sushma, can you put that clearing on the chat box? So you can if you ask your body to become so alkaline that it would just not that would just kill all the parasites, fungus, yeast, viruses. Does that answer your question? And all the distractor implants which are making you fear, which are keeping you into that fear of you having COVID or your parents having COVID, getting COVID positive, all those distractor implants, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times the costillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyond. Another question in the chat box. I have a habit of losing my temper on my husband and a child quite often. Any clearing that would help me to take care of my relationships? So losing temper, this anger is a distractor implant. So you can just ask, for now, a simple thing that you can do this is all the distractor implants causing this anger, I now destroy and uncreate it all. So every time you find yourself getting into that space where you are going to just lose your temper and get angry, you acknowledge that I'm getting into distractor implants. I'm just functioning from a distractor implants, and you can ask all the distractor implants creating this and keeping this in place, I now destroy and uncreate it all. So POC and POC, all the distractor implants, creating this and keeping this in place. So I'm just putting it in the chat box, or if Sushma, can you put it? POC and POC, all the distractor implants, creating this and keeping this in place. Okay. Right. So any more questions? Also, you can
Tasneem, in this place or in this space?
keeping this in place,
In
PLACE.
place. In
Yeah.
place, yeah. Okay.
All the distractor implants, creating this and keeping this in place. I destroyed and create it all. Also, you might want to read this book, Living Beyond Distraction. So distractor implants are like something which are the points of views, some belief systems which have been so deeply implanted into you, which are meant to keep you, they are actually designed to always keep you away from awareness. They don't allow you to see things as they are, to get into consciousness. Actually, like they distract you. They keep you always distracted to acknowledge and tap into your fullest potency. They don't allow you to be the greatness that you are. And there are like 20, there are how many? There are like around 24, 24 distractor implants that Access Consciousness talks about. One of them is like there are anger, rage, fury, hate. Then there is even love, relationship, business. Yeah. All of these, fear, doubt, all of these are distractor implants. So these we look into them in more detail in the foundation class. You can even join, like I have done number of times, a book club on distractor implants, so you can join those, or you can pick up this book, Living Beyond Distraction, and read it. Though I would say that this book in itself, it's not easy to read that book and get it. It's always like I have found it easier to do it with a facilitator in the beginning, and later on you can do it on your own. And this distractor implants have been so much deeply rooted into our bodies and our beings that it takes like a long time, months and probably years, couple of years before you would be able to get out of them. But then once you are able to get them out of your system even a little bit, there is a sense of freedom and joy you feel that you have never experienced before. Also, there are body processes which is when you run them. Like even MTVSS body process, when run on certain locations, it allows you to get get rid of the distractor implants, which are always keeping you into reactions and trigger mode. मतलब किसी ने आपका वो बटन दबाया नहीं कि आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गए और आप अवेयरनेस से दूर चले गए. ये डिजाइन ही ऐसे किए गए हैं, बनाए ऐसे गए हैं डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट टू कीप यू लिमिटेड, ऑलवेज लिमिटेड. Okay.
Hi, Tasneem.
Any more? Yes. Hi.
Ajay here.
Hi, Ajay. Yeah.
You were talking of competition.
Yes.
I just remembered something. One of my colleagues, she's my junior basically, and she's creating a lot of politics in the office, and because I report directly to the owner of the company, the director of the company, and to the marketing. So she's creating a lot of bad image of mine in front of her and creating a lot of competition. So making me look bad every time. So I don't know how to handle that.
Okay. So, okay. So he's like, make it an interesting point of view. Interesting point of view. This person has this point of view about me. And interesting point of view, I have this point of view about this person and their point of view. So make it all an interesting point of view. So when people, this is a typical like even gaslighting that this person is doing. Yeah, so people gaslight. So gaslighting is a kind of very subtle abuse, जहाँ पे कि वो खुली तरह से सामने भी नहीं आएंगे और आपके साथ में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट भी नहीं करेंगे, आपको आपका सामने भी नहीं बोलेंगे, पर पीठ पीछे लोगों के मन में आपके अगेंस्ट वो कुछ भर देंगे, है ना?
बराबर।
So that is a term which has come from a movie called Gaslight. It's a 1944 movie. So if you watch that, you will actually know how people, like how gaslighting is done. They tar your image. So the greatest antidote to any kind of competition is to become an interesting point of view. Don't go into judgment. Every time you go into their judgment, yeah, into the judgment of what they are doing or what they are saying, you actually create more of that judgment to persist. And you can also ask, what will it take for the truth of me to be seen and heard? Are you willing to be seen as the contribution that you are, Ajay?
Yes.
Yes. So how much more your own capacities, your own contributions can you be to be so much shining, so much out there, standing out so tall that no one can ignore it. No one can ignore the gift and contribution that you be. And everything that does not allow you to be and do that. Will you please now destroy and create it all times God failure?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyond. What contribution is this person being? What can you be grateful for in this person? And what contribution of himself he's not acknowledging, that if you acknowledge it for that person would eliminate their need to get into competition with you. So हम में से जैसे हम में ग्रेटनेस है, हम पोटेंट हैं, हम में कैपेसिटीज हैं, वैसी सब में है. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि सामने वाला अपने में ही वो चीज नहीं देख पा रहा है, तो आप क्या वो स्पेस हो सकते हो, क्या एनर्जी हो सकते हो कि वो पर्सन खुद में भी वो अपनी ग्रेटनेस, अपनी कैपेसिटीज, अपनी पोटेंसी देख पाए, और फिर शायद हो सकता है कि उनको वो नीड ही नहीं रह जाए कि मैं भी मुझ में भी कोई कमी नहीं है, आप में भी कोई कमी नहीं है, and there is nothing, there is enough, there is no lack, there is enough for everyone. There is more than enough, there is abundance available. तो क्यों कंपटीशन में हम जाते हैं? जब हमको लगता है कि जहाँ पे लैक है, कंपनी में 2 ही पोजीशंस हैं, या एक ही पोस्ट है, एक ही डेजिग्नेशन है जिसके लिए सबको दौड़ना है, वही रैट रेस में लग जाते हैं. या तो सबके लिए सफिशिएंट है ना? हो सकता है कि एक पोजीशन है जो आपके लिए बेस्ट सूटेड है और कोई और पोजीशन होगी, या हो सकता है कि कोई और कंपनी है जो आपके लिए या उसके लिए बेस्ट सूटेड है. So are you willing to outcreate that person in their competition? And when we say outcreate in their competition, it doesn't mean that you get into more competition. You get into that energy of outcreation, where you just acknowledge that both of us and every one of us is being a unique gift and unique contribution. There is abundance available. There is not only one position or one job which all of us has to compete for. And everything that does not allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times the God failure?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shots, twice and beyond. Unfortunately, our corporate system and also our many of our school system, in schools also, education system में और हमारे कॉर्पोरेट में कुछ मतलब कहीं कहीं पे ये बहुत ज्यादा कंपटीशन, मतलब ये लोगों से एज इफ कि उनकी प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ाने का एक तरीका बना लिया जाता है कि किसी की प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ाने के लिए उसको ऐसा वो प्लेटफॉर्म ऐसा बना दो कि जब तक आप लोग आपस में compete करें, है ना, तो कंपटीशन ऊपर सीनियर मैनेजमेंट ही कई बार वो कंपटीशन वाला माहौल क्रिएट कर देते हैं. तो आर यू, हाँ, कैरेट, exactly, yes, yes. So are you willing to not fall into that trap of competition? Are you willing to just acknowledge and make it all an interesting point of view that my boss has this point of view, that my manager has that point of view about how like productivity has to increase? What if you could be that inspiration, that example? What example can you set for your organization where you could be that contribution, more of the gift and contribution that you be, without having to compete even with your boss or that person?
Yes.
Okay? And everything that does not allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that, will you please now destroy and create it all? That's the possibility.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, spice and beyond.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Ajay, for asking that question, because it brought up a lot for what people actually face in their workplace. Yeah. क्योंकि इस रियलिटी में कंपटीशन को ही सही बनाया गया है कि एज इफ कंपटीशन इज द वे and competing with others is the way in which you would actually excel. Yeah. Rat race में दौड़ना हमको सिखाया गया है, तो आप तेज दौड़ सकते हैं, है ना, बिना उस इंटेंशन के, बिना किसी एजेंडा के भी आप बहुत तेज दौड़ सकते हैं कि मुझे किसी को हराना नहीं है, मुझे दौड़ना है तेज क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगता है दौड़ना और मुझे जल्दी पहुंचना अच्छा लगता है. Yes, and everything that does not allow you to be and do that, will you please now destroy and create it all? Thanks a quadrillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, spice and beyond. Yeah. So, Sridevi, do you have a question?
जी, मुझे पूछना है कि ऑफिस में कि मतलब कोई अलग डेजिग्नेशन होता है किसी का, और कोई 20 साल, कोई 3 साल या 20 साल से इंडस्ट्री में है, फिर भी न्यू कमर को या 2-3 साल जो अभी जिसको हुआ है, 2 साल हुआ है, उसको भी एज अ कॉम्पिटिटर ट्रीट करते हैं और प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करते हैं, जैसे कि कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स ही गायब कर दिए, तो मेहनत किया हुआ लिखा हुआ पूरा सारा का सारा गया, उसका सॉफ्ट कॉपी भी नहीं है, वापस बैठ के वो सब बनाना पड़ता है. ऐसे लोग मतलब मुझे तो लगता है कि बहुत ज्यादा इनसिक्योर होते हैं, जो ऐसा लगता है कि खुद मतलब कहीं ना कहीं ये है कि मैं ज्यादा आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता हूँ, ये मुझसे आगे जाएगी, अभी आई हुई बंदी, तो इसको पीछे खींचने के लिए ऐसा कर दो.
पुलिंग, लेग पुलिंग होती है, बिल्कुल सही बात है, वो की जाती है. तो लेग पुलिंग लोग करते हैं क्योंकि वो नेचुरली वो अपने आप को ऐसा समझते हैं कि उनमें उतनी काबिलियत नहीं है ना, दे फील लेसर, दे फील इंफीरियर, और उनको लगता है कि वो अपने काबिलियत के बलबूते पे वो आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे, इसलिए उनको ये सब हथकंडों का सहारा लेना पड़ता है. And this is that unconscious element of competition. So you can start running that process, Sridevi, which I had shared. So do you want me to run that process again?
अगर और एक बार हो जाए तो बढ़िया हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल रन करते हैं ना हम. So what generative capacity?
एक बात कहना चाहूंगी कि मुझे ये जो चीज है ना कि एज अ कॉम्पिटिटर ट्रीट किया जाता है, तो ये मेरे घर पे मेरी मम्मा भी करती है, और कहीं पे मैं जॉब करती हूँ तो वहां पे मुझे एक इंसान तो ऐसा मिल ही जाता है तो ये एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी होता है कि ऑफिस वर्क पे 20-20 साल से आप इंडस्ट्री में हो और 3 साल या 2 साल पुरानी बंदी को आप एज अ कॉम्पिटिटर ट्रीट करते हैं, लेकिन उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि ग्रोथ नहीं होती, उतनी
आप
अच्छी से
करते
ग्रोथ
हैं
नहीं
कि वो
होती।
करते हैं, आप उस आपको कॉम्पिटिटर
वो
ट्रीट?
करते हैं भाई, मैं नहीं, मुझे ऐसा ही होता है कि मुझसे उम्र में भी कोई छोटा है या ओहदे में भी कोई छोटा है और उसके पास नॉलेज है तो भाई वो मेरे लिए बड़ा है,
हाँ हाँ, तो पर
उससे
वो
सीखने के लिए
आपको
मैं तैयार हूँ।
आपसे compete करने की कोशिश करते हैं,
जी
ऐसा? तो आप उनको
जी।
क्या वो कंट्रीब्यूशन है जो कि उन्होंने खुद ने अपने लिए एक्नॉलेज नहीं किया है, और क्या आप उनको एक्नॉलेज कर सकते हैं कि वो जहाँ पे भी जो गिफ्ट है जो वो कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं? अगर ऑफिस में एक पियून बॉय भी जो होता है, ऑफिस बॉय है, उसका भी कंट्रीब्यूशन उतना ही बड़ा है जितना कि कंपनी के सीईओ का है
हम्म।
है ना? तो हमने वो लेवल्स बना दिए हैं कि भाई कि पीओ वो जो ऑफिस बॉय है वो कम कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है, और क्योंकि उसकी पे कम है और सीईओ की पे ज्यादा है। तो व्हाट इफ यू कुड सी इन ईच पर्सन, फॉर विथ ईच पर्सन कि वो क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन है, वो क्या गिफ्ट है, और क्या आप वो ग्रेटिट्यूड और एक्नॉलेजमेंट हो सकते हैं उनके लिए, जिससे कि आपका जो एनवायरनमेंट की एनर्जीज बदलने लग जाए। Yes. Are you willing to acknowledge them for the gift and contribution that you be?
यस
जहाँ पे कि कंपटीशन की नीड डिसॉल्व होनी चालू हो जाए, और इसीलिए ये प्रोसेस भी बहुत ज्यादा कमाल करती है। बहुत जनरेटिव कैपेसिटी for the solidification of the elementals into reality by request of the quantum entanglements fulfilled as always out creating all competition, are you refusing to create and institute everything that is times a quadrillion will destroy and create it all, right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pop, or night shots, boys and beyond. ये प्रोसेस भी आप रन कीजिए, आप 30 टाइम्स 30 डेज कर सकते हैं,
ओके।
and you
टाइप
can
करके
see
आप
how
सेंड
the
कर,
energies change.
मैसेज में टाइप करके सेंड कर सकते हैं प्लीज?
हाँ, ये सुषमा जी ने सेंड की है चैट बॉक्स पे।
ओके, ये वही है।
ये ऊपर ऊपर वही प्रोसेस मैंने फिर से रन की, वही क्लियरिंग वापस रन की है ना? तो what generative capacity for the solidification of the elementals into reality by request of the quantum entanglements fulfilled as always out creating all competition, are you refusing to create and institute everything that is times a quadrillion, will you please destroy and create it all, right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. So when you run this process where you become that energy which would outcreate all competition, जहाँ पे वो competition बेमायने हो जाएगा, उसकी नेसेसिटी ही खत्म हो जाएगी, आप वो एनर्जी हो सकते हैं। और जैसा कि हम बास के लिए बोलते हैं प्रोसेसेस एंड क्लियरिंग, जब भी हम ये क्लियरिंग आज अभी रन कर रहे हैं, और जितनी बार आप करते हैं और आप कोई भी बॉडी प्रोसेस और या बास रन करते हैं, आपसे कनेक्टेड 3,50,000 people also get free, their energies change. So when we are running these clearings in this group, इस कॉल पे जो लोग हैं सिर्फ उन्हीं की एनर्जीज नहीं चेंज हो रही हैं, हम में से हर एक से जो 3,50,000 लोग कनेक्टेड हैं उनके लिए भी हम चेंज क्रिएट कर रहे हैं। So we are contributing to collective consciousness, mass consciousness change होगा उससे, जब भी आप रन करेंगे वो क्लियरिंग।
Tasneem,
Yes, Sushma.
your
let
lovely
me
voice, please
Shri,
record.
yes, I will record and send on the Telegram group and the
Perfect.
Phenomenons group also. श्री देवी, आपको आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर हुआ? आपको कुछ और पूछना है?
हाँ जी हाँ, थैंक यू इसके लिए। और ये
जी।
कहना था कि कुछ दिनों से है ना मेरे पेट में है ना बहुत डर जैसा लग रहा है, और खामा खा के मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है, खामा खा के चिड़चिड़ हो रहा है, और ऐसा लग रहा है कोई एंटिटी है क्या है समझ में नहीं आता। मैं होपोनोपोनो अभी वापस रात को है ना लूप पे डाल के रख देती हूँ, तो मेरा नींद अच्छे से अभी होने लगी कि सुबह में उठती हूँ, कम सोई हूँ तो भी अच्छा लगता है। पर ये क्या
आपने
चीज है?
बास क्लास किए?
हाँ जी किया है।
Who does this belong to? किया आपने? Truth, who does this belong to?
ओके
Okay, so first of
Okay.
all, truth, who does this belong to कीजिए उसके लिए. फिर जो है ना कि all the distractor implants, बहुत सी बार जो distractor implants हैं वो आपके बॉडी को भी अफेक्ट करते हैं. तो आप pock and pot all the distractor implants creating this.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Mhm.
हाँ, और आपने फाउंडेशन भी किया है क्या?
जी
तो आप अपने लिए वो जो सेल्यूलर मेमोरी बॉडी प्रोसेस भी रन कीजिए,
ओके
है ना. वहां पे
Okay.
आप उस एरिया पे हाथ रख के भी आप सेल्यूलर मेमोरी आप रन कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
So Shushma, I'm sharing with you the group to the phenomenons group. If you can please share that also on this in the chat box.
No problem. No problem.
So if you are not already on my WhatsApp group, it's called Phenomenons Unlimited. तो मेरा जो सारा हीलिंग और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और कोचिंग का जो काम है वो मैं फिनोमिनन्स अनलिमिटेड के अंडर में करती हूँ, इस बैनर के अंडर में. आई कॉल इट फिनोमिनन्स अनलिमिटेड. So you can join my group, and I will be sharing all the clearings in my voice as well, as Shushma has asked for it. She likes to hear it in my voice, so I'll share it there, and many other things you'll get over there. All the updates on that.
And everybody on this group, please believe me that if she has recorded it in her voice, things will change wonderfully for each and everyone on this group, including me.
Interesting point of view. You have this.
No. I'll vouch on that even if you make it an IPO. I'm
Okay, I
telling
will make
you.
it an IPO. I'm not buying into everything, any of that. So you can, like, your voices are as beautiful and like
But
effective
you
as mine. Yes,
believe me,
yeah.
all those people who have either done a foundation or a book reading or even a money workbook with you, all of them will agree with me that if anything is recorded in your voice, it changes, and it changes. And I'm a
And
live
immense
example of that.
gratitude for receiving Sushma in my voice. And so
Thank you.
immense gratitude for receiving my voice and the change that you receive, that you create. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I also do like a symphony of possibilities session that, like, lately, like I love to create those transformation and changes in people's lives. So if anything is stuck, which is not moving, you can attend. It's like it's a session for 1 to 1.5 hours, which it's a one-on-one session which you can attend with me, in which I facilitate you. We do a lot of clearings and we create new possibilities through this energy session. It's a work of Dr. Dane here. So we do symphony of possibilities, where new possibilities start getting created in your life. So if you are willing to receive that, if you want to receive that, you are most welcome. Just let me know on that you would like to, and we can schedule it. Another thing that I have lately, like I'm doing it and I'm like loving it, and I'm actually like loving the results that I'm getting with it, is like anything that is stuck with your properties. So if you want to sell your property, if it is something, or if you want to like rent it out, or if it is stuck in any way, so I have like since the lockdown period last year, I have been working with lands and properties, and I have created this amazing relationship with earths and lands. And I would like to contribute to your properties if it requires like that kind of a contribution, if you are looking anything of that sort. And as I already said, my foundation is coming up. Also, I'll be doing bars class. If you want to repeat the bars class, you can let me know. And if you are the first timer also, and if you want to attend, I will be doing this Access Foundations and bars classes live in Indore, probably in a resort if people are willing to do it in as a retreat foundation, and also online if you want to join through Zoom. So 5th to 8th April, if you want to join any of these, please let me know. Any more questions before we wind up for the day? No? Okay. So, Shushma, can you please share the link to the WhatsApp group?
Yes, of course. Sure. Just now.
Yeah. I put it on WhatsApp for you. I'm also sharing my contact number in case you want any sessions with me or anything. Oh, sorry, it went to private message. Oh, I know. I don't know how. Okay, so I've shared my number as well, and the WhatsApp group link is also shared in the chat box, so you can pick it up from there. Okay, and thank you everyone for joining in. It was so good to have this conversation with you all, and thanks, immense gratitude for the questions that you asked, because every question empowers. So acknowledge yourself for the question and the contribution that you be. Thank you everyone. And
Thanks, Tasneem.
bye-bye.
And are we not continuing with the book reading that we used to do earlier?
So I will do it alternate weeks. 1 week clarity night and another week book read, because then it was becoming too monotonous.
Okay, fine.
So I'll
fine.
keep you
All
posted
right.
about the book read as well, Sushma.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you everyone,
Okay.
and
Bye
bye-bye.
bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.
Bye.